imagine the marketplace right now? Kaya sabi ko, ito pinakamagandang topic ngayon eh. Simulan mo sa sarili mo eh. Because when you see the marketplace, most people hindi nahihiyang manglamang ng kapwa, gumawa ng mali, negative, gumawa ng kalokohan, gumawa ng mga content na kalibugan. Hindi sila nahihiya doon, pero nahihiyang mag-business. Nahihiyang magbenta. Pero hindi sila nahihiyang magkembot. So it's like being indecent is normal, but having integrity and building a business is wrong. What the f***? That is the main reason why nagkikreate ako ng content. Hindi ako tumitigil kahit wala namang income sa social media. Kasi kitang-kita ko, hindi na maganda yung trajectory. Hindi na maganda yung nangyayari na trend. Which means that if you start with yourself, building your character, doing the right thing, you will build what we call the most valuable thing and asset in social media. Ready na? Significance.